Hi, how are you? My name is Tony Priolo. I'm going to make you one of my favorite dishes here at Piccolo Sogno, Orecchiette alla Barese. Come on over and take a look at the ingredients that I have. I have Rapini, which is a bitter green. I have pancetta, a little bit of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, black pepper, chili flakes, chicken broth, and a little bit of butter. First thing I'm going to do is I have a pan. I'm going to warm up a pan. Put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Take some garlic, about 2 cloves of garlic, toast it up, sliced, see that? A little bit of sea salt. I just want a little light brown, so I get a little nutty flavor. Then I'm going to add some rapini that's been chopped up. Go ahead and come back to the stove here. Saute that. While that's sauteing, I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil. Come on closer, camera, so you can get a close-up. See everything popping? At this point, I'm going to add a little bit of the pancetta, which is about 3 ounces of pancetta. And I use 1 bunch of rapini. The pancetta I pre-cooked a little bit. A little bit more olive oil. So this is just a simple sauce of garlic, olive oil. Garlic and olive oil. Here I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes, just a small pinch. We're going to deglaze this with chicken broth. So that just cooked. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper at this point, a little salt. I'm going to reduce that by half. While that's reducing, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of butter, about a tablespoon of butter. And then I have some Orecchiette pasta, which is an ear-shaped pasta. And I'm going to go ahead and cook that for you. Put the pasta in the water. Boiling salted water just for about a moment. Reheat it. Okay, we'll take it out. We're going to add it into the sauce. Take a quick look. What we're going to do is we're going to toss it together. See that? See all the beautiful colors? Real quick. We're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Adjust the seasoning. Shut off the fire. And we'll go ahead and serve this. Take a look at this beautiful pasta. Orecchiette alla Barese. Here at Piccolo Sogno. Buon appetito. Thank you.